Do you remember the magic you used to feel on a snowy day on Christmas break with tons of free time on your hands? What if I told you that you could rekindle this magic and add to your Christmas decor in a cost-effective and creative way with just some paper and scissors? Today I'm going to show you how to construct a paper snowflake in 3 simple steps by folding the paper, cutting strips, and taping the flaps together. So first you're going to want to start with 6 pieces of paper. We'll take one for now. You make sure that it's in a square and you'll fold it in half diagonally. Then you take this triangle and fold it in half again to make this triangle. Then you'll take your scissors and we're going to cut it 3 times along this long edge, cutting almost to the crease but not all the way. There's 1, 2, and 3. Then from here you'll unfold the whole paper to make this. Then you'll want to, you can put a pen or a pencil in this crease, or you can just fold these inner flaps over themselves and tape them, rolling them as you tape them, like so. Now you can use tape or you can use glue. I find that using tape is a lot quicker. So then from here we'll flip it over and tape the next 2 inner flaps together, just like the first one. We'll flip it over again and tape these outer flaps together. And then flip it over one last time to tape these outside flaps together. So then you have a completed snowflake petal, and you'll do this 5 more times to make 6 petals. And then you'll want to tape them together, starting here at the base. You can tape them together, and then you'll want to tape these 2 middle pieces together. And do that with all of the petals so that you get a completed snowflake. I need a little bit more tape. So continue taping this side. Middle, and then one more side, and then we'll have a completed snowflake. And then, in order to make it a hanging decoration for all of your other decorations to go together, you'll take a hole punch or a pencil and poke a hole in the top of one of the tips of the snowflake petals. And then you can take a string, I'm using a clear string just so we can't see it when I hang it up, loop it through that hole, and then tie a knot in the top. There you have a pretty hanging snowflake. I just used notebook paper, but you can use any color, any pattern of paper, and you could even mix it up between the petals. So, today you've learned how to make a paper snowflake in just 6 pieces of paper by folding them, cutting strips, and taping them together. Fill your home with a winter wonderland this Christmas by using your newfound hobby of paper snowflake making.